Hi, hello once again. Mula pa rin sa probinsya ng Cagayan Valley. Kaismil mo pa rin, Greggy PALCON.
Igorota from Kalinga, Bayaits kay Idol.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Awan man may pagtangsit ko, tapno mapansin na. Awan ko check, amang itulot ken ka.
But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song.
Nano mo akanta, isagot ko para ken ka. Simple at tao, agayayat ken ka.
I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear, they just seem so absurd.
No ang naumla kumang, asa na ka manglukluk ko. Akibos man to'y lupong, ada ak tulat taken ka. Dinggem kumang, daytoy kantak para laing ken ka.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. Thanks for joining.
Thanks for the invite, kabayan.